Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to import CSV file into ClickUp. This is really simple. First thing you will have to do is going right here in the top corner, click on your profile picture. Then go over here to settings, and next to this tab under settings you should find imports/exports, so click on that. Now just click on start import right here. So choose any spreadsheet, like so, continue, select the location of importing, so in my case it will be this first team space. Then choose the format of your dates, simply do it however you want, then press continue. And as you can see, it will start loading for you, and you should be able to import it right away. Of course, here it is, so you can upload a file like so, and just basically upload CSV file, and like this you do it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.